we should ask this nigga his name, but fuck it. Oh. Hey, bro, what's going on? Yeah, how you doing, bro?
I'm good.
Good to see you, brother.
Yeah, after a long time.
Oh. Hey, bro, what's going on? Yeah, how you doing, bro?
I'm good.
Good to see you, brother.
Yeah, after a long time. Huh?
Yeah.
You like some drinks?
Yeah, what you got over there?
Red Bull? Thanks.
Red Bull. Oh, yeah. You can mess with that.
Red Bull gives you wings.
Word. What you got going on today?
Today not so busy. Little bit, it's a long weekend.
Long weekend.
People
Okay.
going like in the outside.
You got any plans for Memorial Day on Monday?
No, I work here.
Oh, you work on
Yeah.
Monday? No.
What are you gonna do?
I might go out to dinner with my girlfriend.
Wow.
Yeah. You don't have no family plans or nothing?
No, it's still no. My visa is pending. My family.
Do you travel back and forth or?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah? How often you go back?
One year. I went there before 1 year. Now I have to go next year.
Yeah.
It's maybe visa is okay.
Yeah. Every now and then they let you. Yeah.
What do you
That's
do?
good. I go to school. I'm in school. I play football.
Oh, you're in football?
Yeah. In college, yeah.
Yeah. You do?
I do HVAC, AC and everything on buildings and churches, schools, everywhere.
Oh, yeah. You
Yeah.
have a girlfriend?
Yeah, I do. yeah. Sometimes, every now and then. It's a little complicated, but yeah.
What about you?
I'm married already.
Married? Oh, nice.
That's good.
How's the marriage life? Good?
Yeah, but it's a little bit, different here and my country. I have 3 kids now. 3 boys.
Oh, that's
Boy.
good.
Yeah.
I like boys. How old are they?
Now 3, 7, 10.
Oh, so they all still young, yeah. Still young, yeah. In school,
Yeah, there's.
they go.
No, not here.
Oh, in your country.
Yeah.
Okay, that's
What
good.
do you plan to do?
Today?
Not today.
Just like in life. Yeah.
Plan to still stay in HVAC, what I'm doing right now, working on AC, but want to get better at it and learn more. Want to get married for sure.
Yeah.
Start a family.
Yeah, this your tattoo is like a new, yeah?
Yeah, I just got these in my hands probably beginning of this year.
How much cost it?
How much cost? I think 300. 300.
$300?
Yeah, that's not bad.
Cheapest,
Yeah.
it's not bad.
He
Yeah.
goes to the same guy. He has some too.
Yeah.
It's in years,
It's over in spring.
because I find Google, I like some tattoo here.
Yeah.
I went some place, he called me 1,000.
Oh!
Hey!
Yeah, only
Wow.
here, yeah.
Oh no, yeah.
He told me he do 6-7 hours.
No. That if you go to the person we go to, he probably do like maybe like 150,
Yeah.
and then probably like 2 or 3 hours.
1,000. I postponed. It's a lot of money.
Yeah. Now you gotta explore.
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta explore.
Just ask
They
people
don't
their
give me
prices.
that interest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I see it in nice tattoo.
Yeah. We probably, if you want, we could give you the person we go to.
Yeah.
They do it for way better. Yeah.
It's pretty cool
I
too.
know, cause 1,000, yeah, 1,000, that's a lot.
Yeah.
That's way too much for just that.
The max I paid was 350. That was the
Yeah.
most.
350.
Yeah,
It's good price.
yeah, definitely. Yeah,
You live around here, huh?
yeah, in this neighborhood behind right here,
Yeah, this
right here on the
First
street.
one,
Yeah,
first or second one.
the second one. Yeah, the one in the back.
I
Yeah.
live like a street from him. We live close.
Yeah, we both live in there. Yeah, been there for a couple years.
I worked before this, I worked Houston. That's so busy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
But here it's very cool, huh?
yeah. Here it's
Not a
more
lot of
like
traffic.
smooth. Yeah,
Houston, man, if you get over there like 3 or 4, the traffic is bad, man.
Terrible, but,
yeah. It's definitely better over here. It's a lot calmer. yeah, not as much going on.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You drink a lot of energy drinks?
Sometimes a day, but sometimes not.
Mm-hmm.
But today I went, recently I joined to the non-stop college for my English college.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, get your
Then
basics.
I worked 8 o'clock today.
Mm.
And I today.
Wow. How often you go to school? How many days a week?
2 days.
2 days a week? That's not bad.
Yeah, that's what I do too.
Yeah.
2 days. I went to Lone Star.
You also?
Yeah, not right now, but I used to.
Yeah.
Which one? The one?
I went to the Greek side.
Ah,
Because I went to the Cyprus, but they don't have any courses for the Thursday and Tuesday.
okay.
Thursday and Tuesday, I have a little free here.
Free time?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, to work and stuff? Yeah. That's not bad. I like that. Yeah.
When I work in the hostel, I have a lot of people, friends here.
Mm-hmm.
But here, not much.
Yeah, because there's a lot more going on over there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, over here it's kind of calm, but I mean it's not bad. I just flew. I just landed here on Tuesday morning. I got here because I go to school in California. Yeah, but
How is the difference in California and here?
it's just very expensive. It's very expensive. Like gas. Oh yeah, yeah. I was telling him gas over there is like almost $5. Yeah, for regular gas. Yeah, it's crazy over there.
That's too much.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but yeah, over there everything's just very expensive. And traffic, I think traffic works over there too. Yeah. But other than that, it's alright. Travel back and forth every now and then.
Your car?
Yeah, it's mine.
It's yours?
Mhm.
Nice, yeah. You can go everywhere with your girlfriend, huh?
Yeah. I just got it in October of last year.
How much? Cost?
29,000.
29,000. You got a brand new, huh?
Mhm.
This
Mm-hmm.
it's a 2003?
Mhm. 2023 Nissan Altima.
Yeah, it's good.
I have another car too. I have
Oh, wow. He's a rich guy.
that one. That was my first car. The other one,
Okay.
my uncle gifted it to me.
Oh, nice.
But that's more of like a fast car, race car kind of.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like
One customer come here, the Lamborghini. He gave me one day for drive.
Yeah.
Nice car.
What color?
It's like a dream. It's like not a blue, not like black, but it's a middle.
Like a darker blue?
Yeah.
Okay, I know what you mean.
yeah, I know they do have some beautiful cars over here. They have some money over here.
Yeah.
Yeah. I've seen like Teslas, what else? Corvettes and stuff.
Oh yeah, a lot of Corvettes I see.
Yeah, they got some nice cars over here. It's like that road on the back, those big houses.
Yeah.
Yeah, over there. There's a lot of nice cars over there.
I saw the front of the neighborhood making some company or something building newly like that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I know.
what
And
they're
this
building.
is this about to be? What is this about to be?
It's
warehouse.
They told it's an Amazon warehouse. But I
Yeah.
don't know.
Oh, I thought it was gonna be a mall.
Yeah, that's what they said at one point, but then I guess they changed their mind. Somebody else bought it.
Somebody
or
bought it off. Yeah, probably. Yeah. I know a mall would have been nice though, right there.
Yeah.
For real.
Dude, I remember when all that was just trees and forests.
Yeah.
A long time ago.
Yeah, man. That's crazy. How it changed.
You have a lot of things here to visit, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're
I know it
building
changed
restaurants
stuff there.
over there, all that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Trying to
Okay,
take
guys.
some money.
Nice to see you, huh?
All right.
I'll see you later, okay?
All right.
Yep. Have a good one, bro.
Thank you, brother. See you. Huh?